In last week's blog post, I gave you an overview of CrashPlan Pro E. This week, I'm going to have a follow-up on how you can check the status of CrashPlan Pro. There's a few ways to do it. The first is just going into the CrashPlan application. You can get there from the Applications folder, where you can also search quickly in Spotlight. I'll just do a quick search for CrashPlan, and as the CrashPlan application opens, you'll see at the initial splash page, it gives you a status right here. My next backup is in 9 minutes. It has 4 megs worth of files to do, and I've completed 103 gigabytes. Last backup 6 minutes. And this little green dot is here, which is very important. It means that there's a full status connection. You don't ever want to see it red there. So by clicking this information button, you can hide or show those details. So I'm just going to quit out of the CrashPlan application. I'm going to move on to the next. The next option is to use the Ultracool self-service application that we have. So I'm just going to log in with my credentials to self-service. And on the left, you're going to see the CrashPlan Pro E plugin. You would just click right on there. And if necessary, if this is the first time that you're opening this plugin, you're going to have to enter your password again. But here it'll give you your backup progress, and you'll see that at the last time that it checked a few minutes ago, I was a 100% complete. There's some more activity and status information right over here for backup size, last backup, and my backup status. Now finally, I'm going to show you the last really nice and easy way to view it. So up here in the menu, you're going to see this little house icon, which is the home for your CrashPlan backup. So if you click on that, you'll see here it says iCloud CrashPlan Pro, and that's just the name of the server that it backs up to. Gives the complete status here. You can pause your backup, you could restart it, what have you. So if you wanted to change the preferences of how this little house looks, I'll show you a couple of ways to do that. So come down here, click on Preferences, and of course you want this to be checked, Launch CrashPlan menu bar on login. You can change it so that this looks like dots here. You can see it right there. So the dots just indicate activity. The colors, which I prefer, and green means that it's currently backing up. Red means that there's no activity. You can also have a gradient or no animation. You always want to leave your transfer rate at effective. Again, I like the colors. I'm just going to close out of my preferences and just click on the menu bar icon just to give another quick check. If I wanted to, I could hit this little play button here, which would force a backup rather than waiting for the 15-minute increments. And you'll see that it's sending a copy of any files that I've chosen or backed up in the last 15 minutes up to my CrashPlan backup. Now the files to do are back down to 0. So I'm just going to close out of there, and you'll see that it turns green. It means that there is connectivity and activity there. So those are the 3 ways for you to check your CrashPlan Pro backup status. And next week I'm going to come back with another quick video tip. And this time it's going to be using CrashPlan application on your mobile device to access any files that may be in your backup archive.